If you hide your grin because you're self-conscious about your teeth, our next guest is a cosmetic dentist who wants to share how mini dental implants might be the solution to your dental woes, giving you a reason to smile every day. Let's say hello to Dr. Andrea Joy Smith. Welcome, Dr. Smith.
Good morning, Desiree. Thank you. Thank you for
Yes,
having me.
happy to have you on. So, Dr. Smith, I want to start off with the basics that sometimes some people forget about, but why is it so important to get routine checkups with your dentist?
Routine dental checkups are just like routine healthcare checkups. A lot of times we can spot things that are on the horizon that may happen and may not have happened yet. A lot of times we can avert small cavities from becoming larger cavities. We can spot periodontal disease, which we know has effects on your systemic health. For instance, our diabetic patients, periodontal disease is something that's very commonly associated with diabetes, and patients can often lose their teeth if they're not getting those checkups and we're not getting on top of it. So we have lots of good reasons for dental visits.
Yeah, so finding the root of the problem earlier rather than later. But even knowing that, why is it that some patients delay their dental treatment until issues worsen, Dr. Smith?
I find that most of it is due to dental fear. A lot of people, and I didn't realize it before I actually became a dentist, but a lot of people had bad dental experiences. And with those experiences, they say, I never want to go to the dentist again. The dentist is not my favorite place. In fact, I hear that from a lot of patients. It's like, you know what? I don't really like dentists, but I do like you. So it's that dental fear, that previous bad experience, and just kind of the fear of the unknown. And patients that haven't been in for a while, they're a little bit fearful of finding out that there is something potentially wrong. And so they stay away so they don't hear that bad news.
Yes, those nerves get the best of us, Dr. Smith. So how do you and your team ease the
Yes.
nerves of your patients when they're coming in for a procedure?
First of all, we realize that just coming into the dental office for some of these patients is a big step. So we acknowledge that. And then before we even look at the teeth, I sit down with them eye to eye and I ask them a simple question. What brings you in to see me today? And sometimes they have a long dental story. Sometimes they just want a dental checkup. Sometimes they say, well, when you see my mouth, you'll understand. I just want to get a feel for why they're there today, long before I look at the teeth.
And when people come to your dentist's
And then, oh,
office, you offer a lot of
mhm.
services. I want to make sure we talk about mini dental implants, Dr. Smith. Who would you say makes a good candidate for that?
There are lots of good candidates for that, for mini dental implants. But I also wanted to say another way that we set our patients' fears at ease is that we offer sedation dentistry.
Mm.
And a lot of these patients, like the ones you're showing there on the screen now, they have stayed away from the dentist. They have dental fear, and so we offer the treatment under sedation. So not only are we managing and helping their smile and their ability to chew, we're also doing it in a way that makes them comfortable. They
Yeah.
have no memory of the event. They come in with teeth that look like that they're not proud of, and they leave with teeth. And although on the first day they're temporary teeth, they leave with teeth that makes them feel good all over again.
And you're helping relieve those nerves for them, kind of diminishing the worries for all of that. And we actually have a testimonial from one of your patients who received your services, Dr. Smith. So we're going to take a look at that.
I just want to thank Dr. Andrea Joy Smith for giving me my smile. I have not had nice teeth or a straight smile since I probably was in third, fourth, fifth grade. I was so self-conscious about my teeth. But because of her treatment and her procedures, I now can smile. I'm proud of myself, and I encourage anybody to overcome your fears and come and see her and put your life back on track as it pertains to your dentistry.
Dr. Smith, I mean, you're creating change, you're building confidence back into your patients. How does that make you feel?
It makes me feel great. And she's one of those case in points. One of the things she said is get rid of your fears and go to see her.
Mm-hmm.
And it doesn't have to be me, but go get rid of those fears. And fear is really the root of those problems
Yeah.
of patients not coming in. And when I hear a story like that, which actually often happens pretty often, I'm happy to say, it really makes me feel good that I'm actually changing their lives. I had a patient last week I showed her smile for the first time after we finished delivering it. And surprisingly to me, she started crying. And it's that they haven't seen themselves with teeth that they could be proud of for a very long time. And for our denture patients, they've had to wear denture adhesive and those 4 small implants that can stabilize those dentures. That itself is life changing as well. So, not only can we stabilize dentures, we can do a full fixed set of teeth that do not come in and out as well.
There we go. Dr. Smith making smiles happen. We always appreciate having you on the show. And to our viewers, you can get set to smile as well. Learn more by going to smileagainnow.com.